Morning children, once again we are in the class. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Children, today is 3rd of June 2020 and day is Wednesday. Okay children, as we have already done vowels in our previous class. But first, I would like to tell you something. See, what will be says? What will be says? Be well, be clean, wash your hands. See, did you wash them? Hand washing stop the spread of germs. Children, you all have to wash your hands daily. Now, come to the lesson. See, there are 5 vowels as we have read earlier in the class. Ma'am has told you that there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 short vowels. As we have already done A, E, I sound words. Now today we will do O sound rhyming words. Okay children, first we will see the worksheet. See, O sound words. What is this? These are the dots. And what is the spelling of dots? D-O-T-S. Dots. What is this? M-O-P. Mop. This is dog. D-O-G. Dog. This is top. T-O-P. Top. Now this is socks. S-O-C-K. Sock. Because this is one only. Now lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Now cone. See, this is cone. This one is cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Now you can see there are 2 vowels. O and E. Now see, who is this? Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. So this is your worksheet. Now come to the copy work. See, first you will draw the margin. First margin line, second margin line. Write the date CW and draw the side margin line. See, O-G og, D-O-G dog, L-O-G log, F-O-G fog, O-T hot, H-O-T hot, P-O-T pot, N-O-T not, O-N un, S-O-N sun, and D-O-N done, D-O-N-E done. Okay. Now, O-P op, M-O-P mop, T-O-P top, and H-O-P hop. Children, you have to write like this only. Then you will know how to find sound. See, dog, log, fog, ought, hot, pot, not, on, sun, done, op, op, mop, top, hop. As we have already done vowel sound words, now come to the book work. From many days we are not doing the book. Now this is my 3rd activity book. Come to the page 28 and 29. See, we have already completed page till page 27. So children, this is your singular and plural. We have done it earlier in the class. Now today you all have to copy the name of animals. See, giraffe. You have to write giraffe here. Zebra. You have to write zebra. You have to write squirrel, bear, cow, elephant, camel, lion, tiger, monkey, sheep, horse, deer, rabbit and goat. You have to complete these pages. Now this is your worksheet. Today I will not give you worksheet. You will only learn the spelling. Now once again, my main motive is what well be says. Be well, be clean, wash your hands. Did you wash them? Hand washing stops the spread of germs. Children, I will tell you, please pray daily. आप लोग प्रे करो कि जल्दी से कोरोना भाग जाए और हम लोग जल्दी से फिर से स्कूल में मिले और जितने लोग बीमार हैं भगवान अल्लाह गॉड उनको जल्दी से ठीक कर दे. Okay children, bye. We will meet in the next class. Thank you children. Bye.